Hello mga ka-Hobby Talks! Welcome sa Hobby Talking! At ngayong episode, makakapanayam natin si Miss Yang Chi! Hello Miss Yang Chi!
Hello.
It's good to have you in this episode.
Thank you so much. Hi, Marie.
Yeah. Actually, natupad na din ang prophecy.
Anong prophecy?
Ang prophecy na ma-feature kita dito sa episode kasi nakikita kita sa YouTube o kaya sa mga live streams na nakita ko din yung mga performances mo kung saka nag-guest. Katulad nung sinabi ko nga nung sa Baguio ka, di ba?
Yeah.
So, inisip ko lang na baka may prophecy na pwede kitang ma-feature dito sa aking series. At yun nga nangyari. At finally, na-feature na natin si Miss Yang dito sa Hobby Talking. Ayan. So, makakapanayam natin at ibabahagi sa inyo ni Miss Yang ano ang pinagdaanan niya as a cosplayer and as a performer sa entablado. Lahat na yan sa Hobby Talking!
What is the story of your hobby?
Hobby Talking!
Hi, I'm Yang, also known as Yang Chi. As for my hobbies, I love to do cosplay, watching animes, playing K-dramas, and playing games. And puso cosplays. I started cosplaying way back 2017. At first, hindi ako interested sa cosplay. Only for business purposes, which is magsulang. Magtahi lang ng cosplays for business purposes. And I saw Myrtle's cosplay and Alodia's cosplay on different platforms, and I was inspired by them. So I started cosplaying because of them. I was inspired by them. And the first cosplay na ginawa ko was it was a made version by, Kotori Minami by Love Live. That's my first cosplay. Actually, it was in 2025 last year. I watched Mirai's performance ng Ozin. It was around February nga. I was inspired by them. I love how they perform. I love their energy. Bias ko si Rai. Hi, Rai! So, I started doing idol performances around May 2025. Then, ganun kabilis ako na-inspire ni Rai. I love you, Rai! Ang pinaka-challenging sa pag-i-start ng setlist is kung anong song yung pasok sa team and yung kaya kong i-perform plus kung sa time. Depende usually sa time. So, I can't tell usually kung paano ko napa-finalize yung setlist, but main factor na kina-consider ko para mabuo yung setlist is yung hype. Kung hype ba to for the people.
Para sa'yo, ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng pagko-cosplay sa pag-perform sa stage?
Cosplay is about dressing up and portraying the character you love. Well, performing sa stage as an idol is exerting your energy, your love, and your passion, your talent for J-pop or different kinds of genre ng music. Ayan.
Ayun. So, ganun pala ang difference kapag magpa-perform sa entablado versus sa cosplay. Kung sa pag-cosplay kasi, more on interaction, kumbaga, sa mga fans. Unlike kapag idol, ay somehow may mga restrictions din, may mga boundaries, ganyan, na kailangang masunod ng mga publiko. When it comes to interaction, ang pag-idol is, may ang dami din mga boundaries din na mga sinusunod, yung limited lang yung interaction. Unlike sa cosplaying, yung medyo malaya ka sa boundaries mo.
Yeah.
Pero ang tatandaan nyo, ang pinakasikat na policy na cosplay is not consent. Tama yan. Paano mo pa napapag-balanse yung dalawa mo, yung real life work mo at yung current hobbies mo?
I honestly can't balance real life and cosplay or idol performances. Mahirap. In my case, mag-isa akong ginagawa lahat with a little help of my friends and him. So, yun. Hindi ko siya mai-balance. Kung ang tanong is paano, I still don't know. I'm still working on it. With the help of my manager, Sir Elvin, hi. So, mahirap siyang i-balance kasi sa real life may trabaho. may mga personal matters. Sa cosplay and idol, ang problema ko is yung pag-handle on how to interact, on how can I make people happy. Kung pagsasabayin ko lahat at once or iba-balance, I honestly can't. I honestly can't. At this point, I'm answering based on experiences now. Honestly, I can juggle things together at this point. Kasi masyadong complicated lahat. Like, ang first resort ko is, I got, sorry for the word, na-anxious ako. I can handle them. Masyadong overloaded yung isip ko. So, I tend to cry. Yes, I tend to cry. But, pag nakapahinga na yung utak ko, minimal ko yung aking thinking to the point na, okay, unahin ko to. Ito yung pinakamadali. Yung pinakamadaling solusyonan or gawin, yun yung inuuna ko. And it will take place up to the pinakamalaking matter. Ayun, inuunti-unti ko lang siya. Mahirap. But kaya natin to. Kaya ko to. Kaya nyo yan. Kaya natin.
So, Miss Yang, how's it feel na feature kita ngayon dito sa ating
Of course, I'm so happy. Kasi minsan lang to opportunity na may nag-i-interview sa akin. And si Inari pa to eh.
Yeah.
So happy, Inari. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Yang. So, Miss Yang, any messages na gusto mong sabihin sa mga fans, sa mga manonood dito sa episode na to?
First of all, thank you so much for being here sa profile and page ni Inari. I'm so happy to be part of his vlog. Is this a vlog? Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Thank you so much for being part. Panoorin nyo tong segment na to.
Ayan.
Malalaman nyo na lahat ng kasagutan pag napanood nyo to. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you, Inari, for everything and for this pag-picture sa akin.
Ayun. So,
Watch the
thank you
video.
very much, Miss Yang Chi. And huwag niyo din kalimutan na supportahan din si Yang Chi. Dahil na-introduce natin sa episode, huwag niyo din kalimutan na i-follow kaya socials for her updates about her stage appearances or kung mag-guest siya sa mga events as a cosplayer. Supportahan niyo na din yung
Thank
ating
you.
cosplayer.
You can follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Iis. Nandun ako. Iis na lang yung username. xoxo.yangchi. 5 yung I.
And also, huwag nyo din akong kalimutang supportahin din. And don't forget to follow on my Facebook page and to my YouTube channel. Just search Inoridons on both Facebook and YouTube. Lahat ng hobbies natin ay may sariling kwento. I'm your navigator, Inoridons, at nagtatanong, what is the story of your hobby? Miss Yang Chi,
Yes.
this is Hobby Talking! See you next time! Thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. And remember to hit the subscribe button and see more of my contents uploaded in this channel. Thank you for supporting and see you all on the next videos.